Hello friends and welcome back. So today we have a new activity and it stems from the book that I read you all called The 10 Wriggly Wiggly Caterpillars. And so we're going to do a fun activity. And remember in the story when we opened it up, friends, we saw the number 10. So we saw 10, you're right, 9, 8, yes, 7, 6, yes, and we saw 5, yes, 4, 3, 2, and 1, friends. So we are going to count backwards. We are going to start with the number 10. So parents, if you have any color paper, it doesn't have to be fancy. It can be any color, white paper, black paper, brown paper. I used yellow. And so what we're going to do is we are going to count back. So you would need paper, some glue, and a marker. So what we're going to do is right here I have a paper that I use. I count back. So I start with the 10, friends, like in the book. So you can let them write, parents, a 10. What does a 10 look like? 1 and a 0. So you can have them start with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you have them start with the numbers first. Parents, write them out. And so then we're going to start with 10. So there's 10 spots of glue. That's why I say you need paper and glue. So what I did was I put the glue. And so what you'll have them do is you take, whatever you have, like if you have little balls or cotton balls, or if you have tissue paper, you can cut them up in squares, friends. And then you can push them on there. 1. And then you can have them count out loud, parents. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, friends. So you have 10 in this column. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like in the story, friends, 10. Yes. And so then we have 9 parents. So then they'll just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So then they'll just go down 10, 9, 8, and then they'll put the balls on how many numbers. So 8, friends, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 3, okay, 1, okay, that fell off, 2, 3, okay, 4, so that's 3. So far we have 3, friends. So we have to get to the number 8, right, friends? So we have 1, 2, 3. So let's keep going, okay? So we have 3, we have 4. So we have 1, 2, 3. So Teacher Caroline is losing some of her cotton balls. So what I'm going to do is put a little more glue, friends. So if you need to add more glue, friends, that's fine. Okay, so we have 3 because we're trying to get to our number we have up here, which is 8, right? Yes, 8. So we're trying to put how many cotton balls is color cotton balls that we have to the number we have up there. And it may get a little messy, friends. It's okay if you get a little glue on you. It doesn't have to look exactly like Teacher Caroline's. You can do it whatever way you want, okay? So far we have 6, friends. How many more do we need to make the number 8? You're right, friends. We need 2 more and then we'll have it to number 8. You're right. So we need one more, and then we're going to count, friends, how many. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We lost one. So we'll get it back, and then that will make how many, friends? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8. And this one is the number 9, and that's 10. So we're going 10, 9, 8, 7. So the next one's 7. So how many balls would you need to put on there? You're right, friends, 7. So we're going to put 7 on there. We're going to put 7. And you can take your time, parents. They can take their time, and they can do this as long as they like to. It's really good activity. Okay, that one stay. Okay, so we are on 7 now. So our focus is number 7, friends, because remember we're counting down, and the next number is 7. So we are going to count 7. Okay. So remember, if you have glue sticks, glue sticks works fine, friends. You can use your glue sticks, you can use your glue, and it will stay on your paper. And you can do whatever way you like, okay? All right. So let's see, so far, friends, we did 10, 9, 8, 7. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so we have 7. So now we have the number 6. So then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6. It's okay, friends. See, some Teacher Caroline has followed. You just have to have patience, and then you can just, if it falls, you pick it up, and then you put it back on the glue. So then when you go back and count how many you put on, then it'll make sure that it stays on, okay? So just take your time, and it will be good, friends. It will be okay. So you just, even if you have to put another little glue, like Teacher Caroline's going to put a little bit of glue, because the little ball that I have for the number 8, it wants the steam to come down. So that's okay. So the next number we have, friends, is 5. Yes, 5. So we're going to put 1 here for the number 5. And we're going to use a little bit more glue. 2. Okay. And then we're going to put 3, 4. Yes. And we're going to put 5. We're going to put 5 there. Okay. So, friends, we're counting down. Okay. So that is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see that? Let me raise it up just a little higher, because I know you saw that one. And if they fall, friends, and you don't have enough glue, that's okay. You can take your time. You can do it however you like. You can put it on there, take your time. So, friends, let's go back and look. We have 10, just like in the book, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So you have all the 10 balls, 9 balls, 8 color balls, 7 color balls, and 6 color balls. And now we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the next number is, yes, friends, you're right, 4. So we're going to put 1 here. And then we're going to put another 2. Yes. And then we're going to put 3. That's number 3. And 4. 4, friends. Okay. So we're going to put that there, because some of them are falling down, and that's okay. So, friends, we have the next number. You're right, friends, 3. So we're going to put 1. Yes. Next 2. Yes. 2. And 3. Yes. And so the next number is 2. You're right, friends. So we have 1, 2. You're right. And then what number is this, friend? 1. You're right. So then how many color balls? Yes, 1, friends. 1. Oh, looks like we're done, friends. We did the whole thing. So let's go back and count. We're going to count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And friends, listen, if your colored balls fall off, that's okay. If whatever you use, tissue paper, cotton balls, whatever, you just maybe if it falls off, friends, you just need a little bit more glue, and that's fine. Teacher Caroline's put in a little bit more glue because if they fall off, that's okay. So it's totally fine, friends. I don't want you to get frustrated if it keeps coming off. That's okay. So if you can sit it on the table, see, Teacher Caroline has it on the wall, so if you want to sit it on the table and work with it that way, just sit it down, and then you can write 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And whatever you have, cotton balls, tissue paper that you're going to count with, just set it down, and you can use your glue or your glue stick and ask mommy and daddy for a marker or a crayon so you can write your numbers first. And I hope you enjoy this activity, friends, of counting backwards, okay? And I will see you on the next activity, okay? Bye, friends.